Need your carpets cleaned? Maybe you've had a recent flooding issue? APlus Restore Columbus can help restore your space to look new again.
With over 15 years of generational experience, APlus Restore Columbus provides their customers with fast, high-quality service that keeps spaces clean and pristine.
APlus Restore is a family-owned and operated company with over 15 years in the business. We got started, my husband actually learning through an apprenticeship from his father. As a young teen, he would go to the different job sites and learn from him. In 2020, he came across an old carpet cleaning van and there was a carpet machine in it, and he fixed it up himself, literally built this from the ground up and made his dreams come true. So for the last 2.5 going on 3 years, we've been servicing the greater Columbus area with carpet cleaning and moving into water mitigation as well.
APlus Restore offers carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout, VCT, strip and wax. Water mitigation is so important because you could have mold growth, any sort of mildew or microbial growth if you don't get water extracted and contents dried out properly. The benefit of working with APlus Restore is we treat every home or business as if it were our own, ensuring your safety and satisfaction.
If you guys want to find out more information or get a hold of us, call us or text us at 614-407-4806. You can also visit our website or book an appointment online at aplusrestorecolumbus.com. And finally, visit our social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram, APlus Restore.